Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve team communication with Microsoft Teams, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by launching Microsoft Teams on your computer or mobile device. Sign in using your organizational email and password. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the main interface. Look for the left sidebar where you'll find key sections like Activity, Chat, Teams, and Calendar. Begin by creating a team if one doesn't already exist. Click on the Teams icon in the sidebar. Select Join or Create a Team at the bottom of the Teams list. Choose Create Team and decide whether to build it from scratch or use an existing group. Input a team name and add a description to clarify the team's purpose. Set the privacy settings to either private or public based on your needs. Invite members to your team by entering their email addresses. Once your team is set up, navigate to the Channels section. Create channels to organize discussions around specific topics or projects. Use the General channel for broad team announcements and updates. Encourage team members to use the chat feature for quick questions and exchanges. To initiate a conversation, click on the chat icon in the sidebar. Select New Chat and input the names of team members to start a discussion. Utilize mentions by typing it followed by a team member's name to draw their attention. Schedule regular team meetings using the Calendar feature. Click on Calendar in the sidebar, then hit New Meeting. Fill in the meeting details and invite team members. After scheduling, share relevant documents via the Files tab for easy access. Consider using the Teams feature for focused collaboration among different departments. Take advantage of integrations by adding apps like Planner or OneNote for enhanced productivity. Encourage team members to provide feedback on communication methods regularly. Monitor the effectiveness of your communication by checking engagement within channels. Be open to adjusting settings or methods based on team input. Finally, consistently utilize Microsoft Teams features to foster a culture of collaboration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.